Hi, this is activity 1E, question 1. This is regarding the case study B, developing sustainability policies. So as a manager, I would want to know the energy efficiency of the company. Regarding the energy efficiency, firstly, we put the implementation, and there are two things that we'll be discussing regarding the energy efficiency. So number one is implementation, and number two is monitoring. So we'll go ahead and talk about the implementation. So the implementation, it install energy efficiencies, lighting and appliances in order to create a policy for turning off equipment and encourage the use of natural lighting. Basically, these conduct an energy audit to identify areas of improvement. And moving on to the number two, the second one, which is monitoring. So for monitoring, it tracks the electricity usage regularly, and also it conduct periodic energy audits and set targets to reducing energy consumptions. Basically, when we are talking about this, for monitoring, it also implements an energy monitoring system to identify trends and areas for improvement. Thank you. As you have answered that so far, how about the paper reduction? So for paper reduction, in terms of implementation, it encourages the electronic communication and documentation, and also it implements a paper recycling program and promote double-sided printing. And in terms of monitoring the paper reduction, it tracks paper usage and recycling rates, and also conducts waste audits to identify paper waste and conduct regular checks on printing habits. Basically, it's to set targets for reducing paper consumption and increasing of recycling rates. Now I see that you have answered those 2 points directly and efficiently. So how about the last point, which is transportation? For transportation, in implementation side, it also encourages the carpooling, provide incentives for using public transportation, and also it utilizes video conferencing in order to create a transportation policy that promotes sustainable commuting practices. That's for implementations. And moving on to monitoring for transportation, it track transportation habits, and also it conducts surveys to gather feedback on transportation initiatives, and monitoring vehicle emissions and increasing sustainable commuting options. So I guess that's the end of our discussion, and thank you.